we're going to do this again. My first try didn't turn out so well. I got interrupted in the video. We are live. Yes, so hi everybody. It's Mary. I'm tuning in live. I'm trying this again. My last video kind of got interrupted and it didn't turn out so great, so I deleted it and I'm going to start over. Hope that's okay with you guys. So anyway, yeah, the reason for the video is I wanted to talk to you about don't let your doubts and fears interfere. I was on an onboarding training this morning and I got told that I need to do more lives, which is absolutely true. And so here I am doing a live because I got something that I want to discuss and to get off my chest. So anyway, hi Martina, thanks for tuning in. I'm doing my live over again. I'm going to discuss the same thing I was discussing earlier. If you're tuning in, tell me where you're tuning in, if you're live or if you're catching this later on, hashtag replay. And that way I can see where you're tuning in from and get to know you a little bit better. So anyway, back to what I was talking about. I wanted to discuss some things about what's been going on with me. I've been really discouraged the last couple of weeks, but I got told, well, I didn't really get told. I got mentioned today that I needed to do more lives. So I am putting myself out there. No, not lives make me a little bit nervous, but that's okay. So, tuning in from Ireland. Oh, that's cool. I love Ireland. So, anyway, I wanted to talk about fears and doubts and struggles and the things that I've been going through the last couple of weeks. Wondering if what I'm doing is actually something that I should pursue. Things like that. I've let my own, as they call it, stinking thinking interfere with my thoughts, and it's really brought me down. And also, there's been some messages and some communication, that's been brought to my attention about we all are in this as a team. We're here to support each other, to lift each other up, things like that. We're not here to discourage anybody, regardless if we're new or if we're seasoned people. We're all here for one reason. And I got some doubt in myself and questioned myself if I was doing the right thing. And basically, a seasoned marketer kind of told me, put me in my place to make herself look better, which it kind of got to me and it really upset me. But fears and doubts, you cannot let them bring you down and discourage you. What we have in this wonderful opportunity that I'm involved with is a program that teaches you to brand yourself and to make yourself a better marketer. The skill sets that they teach you are simply amazing. As for me, I do not like live videos. I'm nervous. I technically shouldn't be because I took speech my senior year in high school, which really really made me come out of my shell a lot, and I appreciated that I did that. So anyway, don't let fears and doubts bring you down. People are messaging me, when am I going to get a payment? What's going on? I'm doing all these things. Um, it's just going to take some patience. You're going to need to work the business. Don't let my stinking thinking or your stinking thinking bring you down. Just trust the process, follow the steps, and you will eventually get there. Um, I made a post today also about excuses, and a lot of people are making excuses, and uh, it's something that you need to stop. You need to just refocus. Don't discourage yourself. Just stick with the process because the process works. Hi, Karen. How are you? Thanks for tuning in. Um, I do try to encourage and inspire people and motivate them. And I hope I do that for you. Excuse me. Um, but when you get these seasoned marketers, that try to put you in your place, it really does bring you down. And that's what happened to me. Um, I let it get to me. So we have this amazing program, and it is really teaching me all the steps that I do need to do to become a seasoned marketer. Um, so I'm not going to get discouraged. I am going to wash it aside. I'm not going to let this person get to me anymore, um, because she really did upset me. And I did feel like I needed to do a live to voice my opinion and to get it off my chest. And so that way I can move forward. But questioning on whether or not, this was the right thing for me, if I should keep going, I had a lot of doubts. But I was talking to a few people and listening to some replays of some videos that some people made. And I realized, I can't let fear or doubt discourage me one bit. So do not let that get in your way, interfere with what you have planned for yourself. If you do have questions or doubts, just look me up. I'll be happy to communicate with you, inspire you, do what I can. I'm not a veteran at this, but I'm very relatable, and I love to see people succeed. And anyway, with that, I had to get that off my chest. Um, I am back. I am going full force. I try to bring you motivational posts. I try to uplift people, and if I do that to you, let me know so I can, continue to help you out if you're struggling. I'm very personable. I like to help people. So with that being said, don't let fear and doubt interfere. And excuse me, I'm kind of losing my voice. That's why I didn't do my live on Wednesday, and I do apologize, Amanda. But anyway, so be the best you, be the stronger person, put that stinking thinking away, don't listen to it. You've got so much going for you. Just keep improving, stick with it, trust the process, and you're going to do great. Um, this business isn't for everybody, but it's sure for the people that are willing to make it work. And that's what I'm doing. I'm putting myself out there, and I'm going to make it work. So if you got some value from this or whatever, just let me know. Just get in contact with me. And if you need any help with anything, I'm here to help you. So I got that off my chest. I hope you have an awesome Friday, and I look forward to what lies ahead for all of us. So hope you have a great day and a great weekend, and stay blessed. We'll talk to you later. Bye.